Okay, set number 2, and in my understanding, this is one of the difficult sets, not because the logic is very convoluted. The logic is straightforward. However, there are so many cases that you have to be very, very careful to not miss even a single case, because if you miss even a single case, well, the set is gone for a toss. That is one of the reasons why I would rate this as a difficult set, or at least above moderate set, and something that you should not have attempted in the exam. Let's go ahead and take a look at what is happening here. So we are talking about a B school in which a person should complete exactly 11 out of 19. So this is exactly 11. And these are coming from 4 subjects, or rather 4 disciplines. Finance, which has 6 subjects, marketing, that has 5 subjects, operations, and HR, which has 4 subjects each. Now if you take 4 or more subjects, 4 or more credits, it's called as a major. If you take exactly 3, it is called as a minor. And if it is less than 3, it is neither a minor nor a major. There is no limit to the number of majors or minor you can take. However, you cannot take a minor without a major. So you can have majors, major plus minor. You can have major only, but you cannot have only minor. Let's go ahead and take a look at the extra information. If you're taking a subject in finance, then you should take 2 credits from each discipline. If anyone is doing a major in marketing, then minimum 1 more minor is required. If anyone is doing a major in operations, then the minor, if at all there is a minor, not necessarily that they have to do a minor, but if there is a minor, it has to be from HR only. And if anyone does major in HR, then they cannot take these 2 subjects. Also, it is mentioned that there should be at least 1 credit from each discipline. So you cannot say that I will not take a subject from one of the disciplines. So you have to cover all 4, at least 1. Now these are the set of questions. Let's take a look at the first question coming your way. What is the total number of different possibilities for Saral as per the number of credits in different disciplines? Count only the credit distribution across disciplines and not particular subject selection. So we are not worried about whether F1 is selected or F2 is selected. We are only looking at how many from finance are taken. So if there are 4 from finance, doesn't matter which 4, but that is one case. If there are 5 from finance, doesn't matter which 5, but that is one case. That's the meaning. Okay. So what I'll first do here is I will look at what are all the possible number of majors and number of minors. So I will make a list of majors and minor. Now, can I have 2 majors and 2 minors? This is not possible. Why? 2 majors is 4 into 2 credits is 8. 2 minors is 2 into 3 credits, which is 6. 8 plus 6 is 12. So this is not possible. What about 2 majors and 1 minor? So that is 8 plus 3. 11. It looks possible, but again this is also not possible. Why? Because when you took 2 majors, 4, 4 and 3, 11 is over. So the fourth discipline has to give you 0, and 0 is not allowed. So this is also not possible. Then you can look at, is it possible for me to have 2 majors and 0 minors? 2 majors and 0 minors, if it is possible, you can start looking at it. First of all, which 2 are these majors? So I will have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 majors are 4 plus 4, 8. Okay, 8. Now I have only 3 points left. Total should be 11. So I can have 1 and 2 or 2 and 1. Now the question is, these 2 4s, which 2 subjects are these? Can the subject be finance? Now if the subject is finance, then you have to have 2 everywhere. So the major cannot be finance. Can it be marketing? If you have a major in marketing, then there should be 1 minor also. So it cannot be marketing. So the only way possible is if both of them are operations and HR. So you can have operations major, HR major, and either 1 from finance and 2 from marketing, or 2 from finance. So basically this is finance and marketing. So OHFM, if you look at it, basically 4 4 1 2 or 4 4 2 1. So there are 2 cases possible here. 2 cases possible here. Next, is it possible for me to get 1 major and 2 minors? Is it possible for me to get one major and two minors? Now remember, if there is one major and two minors, I have 4, 3, 3. So 4 plus 3, 7 plus 3, 10. Then there should be one more subject. Definitely it has to be like this. So 4, 3, 3, 1. This is the combination possible. So who can be this 4? Obviously it cannot be finance. Because if there is finance, then minimum everything should be 2. So then can I have marketing major? So let me look at finance, marketing, operations and HR. So clearly finance cannot be major. So now I will take finance as marketing as major. If marketing is major, this is possible. 3, 3, 1. Similarly 4, 1, 3, 3. This is possible, and similarly 4, 3, 3, 1. All these three cases are possible. What else? Okay. Next, this is with marketing as major. What about operations as major? If anyone is doing a major in operations, and if they do a minor also, they must do it in HR only. So if I have a 4 here, then this will be a 3, and this will be 1 and 2. This can be 4, 3 and 2 and 1. Okay. Next, what about major in HR? If major is in HR, 4. We are looking at, there's another small error. We are looking at 2 minors. So this is not possible. We are looking at 1 major and 2 minors. So 2 minors you cannot have with major coming from operations, because if operations is a major, then there can be only 1 minor and from HR. So the question of 1 major from operations and 2 minors is not possible. So there you are looking at 4 from HR, and then the minor is coming from anywhere. So 3, 1, 2. You can look at 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 4, 3, 2, 2. This is one possibility. My bad, sorry. You have two minors, right? So 4, 3, 3, 1. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And 4, 3, 1, 3. And you have one more 4. You have 3, 1 and 1. So you have 3 plus 3, totally 6 cases. So with 1 major and 2 minors, you have a total of 6 cases. Now let's move on to 1 major and 1 major and 1 minor. How many cases will we get? So let's start looking at F, M, O and H. Now, if I start with finance as a major, first of all, can I have finance as a major? Because I'm looking at 1 major and 1 minor. So 4 and 3, 7 is gone. So I have 4 more. So 2 and 2. So if I'm looking at finance as a major, then I will have 4. Then there should be only 1 minor. That minor can be anywhere. So 3, 2, 2. I can have 4, 2, 3, 2 and 4, 2, 2, 3. I have 3 possible cases with finance as the major. Next, what else can be the major? I will take a look at, I will see, can the major be marketing? If marketing is a major, then I will put marketing as 4. Then where else can the minor come from? The minor can come from finance. So I can put 4, 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 2, 2. Then I can again look at 4, 3, 2, 2. And I can look at 4, 3, 2, 2. All possible cases. Okay. Marketing is a minor, marketing is a major, and 1 minor is anyway taken care of. There is one more possibility in marketing. Now, when I say marketing is a major, I can also look at 5 subjects, or rather 5 credits coming from marketing. If 5 credits are coming from marketing, then 5, 3, then I will look at 5, 3, 8, and then I am left with 3 more. So 1, 2. Similarly, 5, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now, again, I'm going to continue the same case, F, M, O, H. So I have 5. Marketing is still with 5. Finance 3 is done. Now operations 3. So 5, 3, 1, 2 and 5, 3, 2, 1. Similarly, now 5, this is 3, 1, 2, and 5, 3, 2, 1. Next, so I have taken all possible cases of marketing as a major. Now I'll move on to operations as a major. If operations is a major, then it is 4. Definitely the minor has to be HR. So HR is 3. So 4 plus 3, 7. Now I need 4 more that has to be taken as only 2 and 2. There's no other choice because I want only one minor. I can't put 3 and 1 or 1 and 3 because I need only one minor. Okay. So operations is only 1. Finally, I have now the HR. HR, if it is a major, 4, then minor can be anywhere. So 3, so 4 plus 3, 7. Then I have 4 more, which is 2 and 2. Similarly, 4, 3, 2, 2, and 4, 3, 2 and 2. So totally, how many cases did I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 cases I'm getting over here. Okay, so that is one major and one minor. And finally, I look at one major and 0 minor. Can I have only one major? So only one major can be finance. Is it possible? So first, if I'm looking at finance as a major, I can look at 6 in finance. Then everyone should be 2, 2, 2. But this is not possible because this is crossing your 11. Now, can finance be 5? If finance is 5, then everything else should be 2, 2, 2. And this is exactly 11. So this is possible. Okay. Then can finance be 4? If 4, then 4 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, where should the 11th one come from? Wherever I put the 11th one, it will become a minor. So this is also not possible. So only with finance, one case. Finance major is one case. Now, can you have marketing only? You cannot have marketing only as a major because they should be followed by one minor as well. So only marketing major is not possible. Can you have only operations major? Yes. Because operations major says if at all there is a minor, it should be HR. Does not necessarily mean you should have a minor. So if marketing is a major, if operations is a major, so 4 you will get. Then what else can you have? 4 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Now again 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Where will the 11th one come? Wherever you get the 11th, it will become a minor. So although operations allows you to have only a major, you can't adjust the credit. So this operations also is not possible. Okay. And by the same logic, only HR also you cannot have major as 4. Because if it is 4, then you get 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is 10. Now where will the 11th credit come from? The 11th credit will have to come from any one of these 3, and again they will become a minor. So only one major is possible in one way. So total possible combinations are 16 plus 6, 22, 22 plus 2, 24 plus 1, 25. So the correct answer to this question is 25. Okay, going back. So in fact, let's go back to this question sheet where all the questions are given at once. If Saral selects an equal number of credits from finance and marketing, then which of the following is correct? So he's selecting finance and marketing as equal credits. So let's take a look at our table. Finance and marketing, they should be equal. Where are they equal? Finance and marketing, they are equal here. This is one possible. In which case you're getting 2 minors. You're getting 2 minors here. Okay. Where else finance and marketing are equal? Yes, you are getting one more. Yes, this. You're getting 1 minor in this case because this is 3. 3 is 1 minor. So 2 minors is also possible. 1 minor is also possible. So let's look at the options. He can have 1 minor. This is possible. He can have 2 minors. This is possible. So both are correct. Next question. Tarun knows that Saral has taken only F1 and F5 from finance. So he's taken finance 2 and only M3 and M5 from marketing. So marketing he's taken 2. Now remember, he's taken M3. If he's taken M3, according to the statement given, if he does a major in HR, then he cannot take M3, which means he's taken M3. So this implies that major is not in, what is the subject? Major is not in HR. Major is not HR. Okay. What can he surely say about the combination chosen by Saral? So he must be doing a major in HR. Definitely this is not correct. Okay, that is gone. He must be doing a major in operations. He is definitely not doing any minor. So let's take a look at our possible cases. Finance 2, marketing exactly 2, and major is not HR. So look at all the possible cases where finance is 2 and marketing is 2. So we have finance 2, marketing 2. Where is that? This is one. Finance 2, marketing 2. Okay. Where else? Is there any other place? Yes, here. Finance 2, marketing 2. This is also possible. But this will be ruled out. Why? Because he should not have a major in HR. This is the case where 4 is in HR. So while there are 2 cases where marketing and finance are 2 each, we will discard one of them because one of them has HR major. So we are left with only one case, 2, 2, 4, 3. In this case, the minor is coming from HR. Okay. So let's go back and take a look at the options. He must be doing a major in operations. Yes, that is what we saw. It is 2, 2, 4 and 3. So this is finance, marketing, operations and HR. So HR 3, 2 and 2, this is major in operations. Okay, so this is option B. He is definitely not doing a minor. That is wrong. We already know he's doing a minor. More than one of the statements given above is true. Definitely only one statement is true. That is option B. What is the total number of different possible combinations of credits taken by Saral if he decides to do his major in finance or marketing but does not do a minor? So basically it is only finance major and no minor, or only marketing major and no minor. But we already saw that only marketing major is not possible. So we already saw only marketing major is not possible. So if you are looking at finance major, then 5222 is the case. So if you're looking at 5222, so if you can just erase a little bit of and create some space. So I'll just erase these parts. All right. So we are looking at 5222. This is finance, marketing, operations and HR. So this is the only possible case. Now we are supposed to count the selection of subjects. So out of 6 you're choosing 5, so 6C5. Out of 5 you're choosing 2, 5C2. Out of 4 you're choosing 2, and out of 4 you're choosing 2. So 6C5 is 6, 5C2 is 10, 4C2 is 6, 4C2 is 6. So 6 6 is 36, 36 6 is 216, 216 into 10 is 2160, and that is your answer. So the answer for the question number 9 is 2160. Last question. If X is the total number of credits opted by Saral from finance and marketing together, then what is the difference between the largest and the smallest value of X? So let's look at the minimum value of finance and marketing. Minimum value of finance and marketing. Where are we? Okay, we are over here. So minimum of finance and marketing is how much? Where do we get that? Is there a 1 and 2 somewhere? Let's carefully observe 1 and 2. Right, that 1 and 2 is over here. Finance and marketing. This one. So basically you're looking at two majors. This is the case. In this, you will get finance 2 and marketing 1, or finance 1 and marketing 2. So basically, X minimum is 3. Now what is X maximum? You want X max. X max is coming from here. 5 and 3 is 8. So what is the difference? 8 minus 3, the total should be 5. So the answer for that particular question is 5. So as I said, there's so many cases. If you miss even a single case, you will end up making mistakes. That's the reason why I say this question should not have been attempted.